This lesson is part of a course at Programming Electronics Academy. If you'd like to get access to the full course and all the materials related to this training, check out Programming Electronics Academy, where you can get access to all of these lessons and all of the coursework we offer. I hope you find this extremely helpful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Hi, I hope you're doing fantastic. One of my favorite sayings is that variety is the spice of life. And that is so true with all the different applications available to us when we start to understand programming and electronics and we're working at that point where they meet together. It's such a fun place to be. But one thing that all of these projects have in common is that there is a need for power. We have to understand how to power these projects. Now, if you're new to electronics, then understanding power requirements for a project can feel really intimidating. I know this because I've been there. It almost feels like a dark art. And when we don't understand something well, many of us tend to associate an undue complexity to a problem. And personally, I feel like powering a project is one of those places for many people. In this course, we're going to talk about different ways to power your projects, either through an Arduino board or with external power supplies. The whole idea here is to demystify the process for you. But the truth remains this: if you do not attempt some of these different powering methods on your own, they're kind of just forever going to be a little plague in the back of your mind as something that's difficult or confusing. So make sure, as you learn about these different methods for powering, to give some of them a shot. Even if it's not going to apply to a project that you're currently working on, just try it. It's going to help shine some light on how to power stuff. So here's generally what we're going to be covering in this course. First, we're going to talk about different ways of powering an Arduino board. We'll talk about a means of providing power to external components connected to the Arduino. And then we'll talk about different power source types for projects like DC power supplies or batteries. Well, I hope you found that helpful. If you want to learn more about all this Arduino programming stuff, make sure to check out our training program at programmingelectronics.com. I would love if you could like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Take it easy, and I'll see you soon.